Today we look at a quite interesting use case of OT asset management, which is at the intersection of security and maintenance. Our automation vendor has sent us a product notice by email informing us that a couple of their software products have issues with a particular Microsoft security patch. So in order to figure out details, we click on the URL provided in the email. And there we learn what the affected products are, but certainly what the vendor doesn't tell us is, do we have these products installed? And if yes, where? But this is quite easy to figure out with the OT-based Asset Lookup Chrome extension, which we have installed on our system. All we need to do is pick any of these product names, then do a right click to open the context menu and click on Search in OT-base. And there we see, oh yes, we have a bunch of these products installed. We would even see where if we go further and open any of these products. And there we have a listing of all the instances of all the installations. But certainly what we would really like to achieve is we want to inform our maintenance engineers that they shall not install this Microsoft security patch in order to avoid this problem. And this can be done quite easily in OT-based Asset Center in the workflow section, where there is a workflow for problem management. So here we can add a new problem description. Let's just say we use the Microsoft KB number, short description, patch blacklisted by Rockwell, and the problem occurred on February 2nd. That is when the product notification was issued. We identify the affected software, Studio 5000 Logix Designer. And now all I have to do is to click on Add All, which transfers the search result from down here to the affected products list up there. And I click on Close. This looks good. Then I add a description. Just for brevity's sake, we will simply copy the summary from the product notification. And we may also want to add the URL so that any user who wants to see details can easily launch up the full description from Rockwell. And as the solution, we may want to add don't install the patch. So that's basically it. Let's save this problem report. There it is. And now if we open that report by double click, there we get all the details. The link that we have entered is clickable, so it would take any user directly to that web page. But the interesting part is that anybody who is accessing any of the affected products or devices will be notified as well. So if you go to the inventory, Studio 5000 Logix Designer, let's just pick any of those and open the product profile, we will see this problem report inserted here. And this will take me right away to the problem report. And even if I look at any of the installations, we will also find the problem description in that device profile. So it's you basically cannot miss it. And it still gets better because, as OT-based users know already, when you log in, or after you log in, you're taken to this home page where you see a list of recent events. And certainly enough, there is our new indication that there is a new problem. And so right after login, my attention would be drawn to this new problem report, where I can also get the details just by doing a double click. So that's it. That's how you do problem management with the OT-based OT asset management system.